Alright, so here, let's try this again. So here's an update on the floor pan and firewall going on the F-1. So basically what we got going on is, yesterday I cut the floor pan out on the passenger side, and today I refitted the new floor pan for direct sheet metal. And here you can see I had to work on the vertical and horizontal cab mounts. So I had to, right down here, so I know it's hard to see, but right there I had some issues with the new mounts fitting. These mounts, the upper ones, seem to be a little off. I got those from mid-50 not too long ago. The bottom mounts I got a long time ago, like 10 years ago. So and they were, so the problem was is the bottom mounts were a little too narrow. The top mounts were tweaked a little. The vertical mounts were tweaked a little. So anyways, so I still have this little hole I have to fill. And if you can see back there, there's a little plate. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out and I'll weld that plate in there. But I just wanted to fit all this stuff up first to make sure I had everything I needed. And it fit. So here's an update on the garage. So I moved everything around, went through, I put the new age cabinets in. Put the tires and everything back on the tire rack. Got the wall painted, well, over to that window. Yeah, so nothing exciting. So my next steps over here on the floor pan is I'll finish. If you look right there, there's a little bit that needs to be trimmed out, and then I gotta finish fitting the horizontal brace, and that needs to have a hole drilled, and then I'll go through and weld the spray through primer. I already cleaned up the existing floor pan, so it's bare metal. But other than that, it's about ready to go. So probably be a day or two before I get a chance to mess with that.